Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix CapCut is not showing on your iPhone iOS 18 on the App Store. So if you want to download and install the CapCut on from the App Store but it's not showing on your App Store, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, if it is not showing in your App Store, then you have to simply change your country or region. And after that, you will be able to download and install the CapCut from the App Store. So first of all, you have to make sure that it is showing on your App Store. But if it is not showing, then what you have to do, you have to simply cancel that. So you have to simply change your country or region so that the CapCut available in country or region, so you can simply download from that country or region. So if you want to change the country or region, so you have to simply click on that name or Apple ID here, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply wait for some seconds so that a new kind of interface is available. So here you can simply find manage payments, subscription, purchase history, and also find country or region. So you have to simply click on that. Now you have to simply change your country or region, so that you have to select the country or region where CapCut is available and showing. So you have to simply select that. So I am going to select any random country. For example, here I am selecting United States. But if you have United States and it is not showing, then you can simply change the country. So after that, that CapCut will be available on your App Store, and you will be able to download and install the app. So here you have simply select the country, and then you have simply provide agree terms and conditions. And after that, you have simply provide your payment method. So if you do not have any payment method, so you have simply select none, and after that you have to provide your billing address, and you have to click on next. And after the verification, your country or region will be changed. And after changing the country or region, you have simply search for the CapCut, and after searching the CapCut, you will find that CapCut is available and showing on your App Store. So in this way, you can simply fix if CapCut is not showing on your App Store. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.